Well, there's how you start your day out. Walk over there around the front of the truck. Thought I heard an air leak or something on the front wheel there, and got tangled up in the Ocotillo and Palo Verde tree. Bit me in the nose. So today we're hunting with Rudolph. But I thought I'd show you these things. These are great, especially if you're filming and talking. But they go around your neck. And they're low latency Bluetooth. So they pair right up with my 6000, which I haven't stretched out all the way yet. And it's pretty cool. It's a surround sound system. I can hear the targets just so perfectly. They also got these little earbuds you can pull out, and that's pretty neat too. So anyway, we're going to be hunting down in this little area here. I'm going to look at that hillside over there for a while. I might go up there and play too. So I don't know. I got a few hours to get out, and thought I'll take y'all on a hike into the desert. And it's almost green. Everything almost bloomed. The reason I'm saying almost is because if we don't get some rain the next week or two, it's going to be another dud of a year for flowers. Last year we got nothing. It just wasn't wet enough, and well, it's looking kind of that way this year. Not much rain in the forecast. It is what it is. I guess that's why I call it the desert, right? So anyway, me and my wounded snout are going to go out and see if we can find a nugget or two. We got something here in the bedrock. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Down in a crack. I think it was actually caught up in here somewhere. We have to break that up, I think. Well, the only thing I noticed about these headphones, I like them. They sound good and everything, especially when I'm filming. But when you get too close to the camera, or I mean to the machine with them, on my neck, they cause a little interference. Let's see if we move that thing. Sounds like I might have moved it. Maybe it's down here now. I think we might have it. Yes, we do. Where do you have it? Now, I've already dug several pieces of trash today, so we know we have plenty of that to deal with in here. But you never know, do you? You never ever know. I can feel something pretty heavy in there. Could be my imagination. Hope. But sure staying in there good. I don't want to say lead or gold. Uh-oh, I didn't see any gold. Okay, we got it in here. Really? Huh. That little tiny piece of shard of lead right there. That's what it was. You notice when I lean away from the camera or from the coil, you can't hear these headphones around my neck. When I'm standing up, it's quiet as could be. It's lit. gives a little interference when I get my head in there like that. But if I just keep my big head out of the way, it's all good. I like having the freedom of having a speaker right up by my ear like that. Kind of cool. Well, I'm just kind of climbing around in the hills up above where I'm parked, which is way over there. You can see the truck through there. But I saw this little disturbance up here. I thought I'd come take a look. I'll be darned if there isn't a mine shaft right here. Yeah. Let's see what era it's a soldered at. So it's from the 20s or earlier. Huh. Interesting. Doesn't seem like it goes in too awful far. I guess it does. It goes quite a ways. Huh. Never saw this here before. Yeah, it goes ways in there and ends. You see some copper minerals, it looks like, in the rock right here. That's probably what got them to go down there. There's a little snake sitting here when I came up. He skedaddled. A little green whip snake. Yeah, pretty good hole right there. Right here on this contact zone, you can see right here and here. We got mica along in here. Yeah. Well, I think I'm gonna keep looking around here. Maybe up above this a little bit too. See if there's any placer work done. It always pays to walk off into new areas. Look at the rock formations in here. This whole area is just bedrock. Rugged stuff. Yeah, pretty rugged. I just love it. Piece of quartz laying there. Don't see much else in the way of vein material that had that in it though. Maybe here. Huh. Hard to say what they're after. But they was a looking, weren't they? Well, they did some work right here. They hauled some material up here. Piled it up. I don't know if they're breaking it up here. Looking for gold in this stuff or what they were doing. But Thomas was up here, this area, a couple days ago. And found a nice specimen. And it was in some brown host rock, something I hadn't seen before here. And that makes this double interesting to me. Mine's right there behind that little Palo Verde tree. Yeah, I don't see much evidence. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe another hole up here. Look at that pack rat nest. Holy cow. That's a condo right there, my friends. He's built that house in amongst all that rubble. Right here, I assume. Where they dug it up, maybe. Look at that. Very interesting ore. You see the copper in it. This is a pretty good sized pile. I think this stuff must have been brought up here out of that hole. Huh. Or it could be another mine up the hill here. It's possible. See an odd shaped item over there. Side of the hill. It's like old car parts or an old car, something. Geez, I don't feel like walking all the way up there, but I might. Anyway, I'm gonna walk around here a little bit and detect. Wonder what the heck that is. I wish I had brought my glasses. Huh. Alright, off we go. This, my friends, is a cholla forest. Look behind me, there's tall as me, taller. Yes, sirree. This is what you call a jumping cholla, or teddy bear cholla, whichever your preference. You get ya. It's a bad deal to fall into some of this stuff. That's why the pack rats use it in their nests. Amazing. The state's just an amazing place. Look at the thorns in it. Ooh-wee. Yeah, no fun there. Well, I'm still kind of walking around, exploring. And you can hear the detector in the background, complaining because it's laying there still. But I'm kind of exploring today more than anything else. Just walking around and looking at areas I haven't been before. Getting outside the box, swinging a little bit, and showing you folks the Arizona desert. There's a pack rat nest right there, an old one. Doesn't look like anybody's home there anymore though. Off we go. Yeah, we got yet another target. Man, I've dug a lot of trash today. Right here. Right in that crack. Yeah, I'm too close to that machine with his headphones. I think I saw gold though. Oh. Yep. Look right here. I'm gonna shut this thing off. Look right here. Ah. Look right here.
Beyond the range of conduction.
Okay, here it is. Look right here. How about that? It's just caught right in that little divot right there. Little bitty nugget. Look at that. Little nugget caught in that crack right there. Well, how about that, man?
Beyond the range of conduction.
That's my headphones complaining because I'm beyond range of connection. But I got a nugget. I don't care about the connection right now. I'm gonna hook back up and try for another one. We're almost back to the truck and whew, I'm pooped. Well, I got that first nugget right in this little crack, and listen here. I haven't even gone over the waterfall yet. And there's something in there. Let's get this thing set up and we'll see what it is. Okay. Let's have a look, see if we can brush it off. I like when you can brush it off and see them laying there. I don't see anything. See if we moved it. Yep, we moved it. Right in here. Got some jets going over. That's going to mess up my detector. I gotta calm this thing down. Shut off these headphones so I can bend over here.
Power off.
Okay. Boy. Okay. Uh-oh. I think I see a piece of iron. A little bit of rusty iron right here. Yep. That one wasn't gold, was it? I've been digging that all day. Hey boy. But we got one. Well, kind of a short little video today. Yeah, we're out quicker when it's warmer. But I did get a nugget. A little bitty nugget. Right there it is. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. But hey, if you can pick it up, it's a nugget, right? Huh? If you can pick it up, it's a nugget. So in the jar it goes. And off down the hill and back to the house I go. So if you like these videos, like, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll see you on the next one. Nugget Shooter out.